stop my breath. Yo, perf, you know me keep trending, dog. All with the chat, them sending, dog. Yeah. Me and the boss, and them know that I'm me. I lock the place, and me, them can't hold back.
Open the nose, and him and the boss, you know. This train hit my hand. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss, and we're back in if I put another video for you guys. Right now we're back in Belize. I'm sorry it's been like 3 days. You understand? I was trying to post a Belize reaction every 2 days, but I've been busy trying to post on my vlog channel, and I need you guys to go and subscribe to my vlog channel. Please go and subscribe to my vlog channel. Go and support the vlog channel. I'm posting a vlog every single day for Christmas. They call it Vlogmas. I posted the most lit vlog on YouTube yesterday. Go check it out. Comment on this video to see your comment in this video that I post. I know that's the only reason why we talk so much, right? There's a no comments. I thought this month for y'all to see y'all comments over there. So drop the comments them right now. Let's see what this song is called about. Papa John. Is it the Papa John pizza place? Anyways, no. Song called Trending Official Music video produced by DJ Perf. Hey, the amount of videos I react to that was produced by DJ Perf. DJ Perf, big up yourself. Let's see what's happening for this video right now. Like up the video. Like up the video. We're on the road to how much people? You all know it, you know. You all know it, you know. Right now I want to see 40k in the chat. Just comment 40k in the chat. 40k in the comment section. 40k. That's all I want you to comment in the comment section and subscribe. Right,
DJ Perf.
I know this instrumental pause. And I'm murder for murder. Somebody have to dead dog. Alright, let me have to make up myself in a king. Run. Pull up a tune. Pull up a tune.
DJ Perf Music Production.
Yo, perf, I mean not doing nothing on them vex. I mean not doing nothing on them
but them
vex.
for that.
Take time. Why my life them want take? Why them want stop my breath? Yo, perf, you know me keep trending, dog. All with the chat them sending, dog. Yeah. Me and the boss, and them know that I'm me. I lock the place, and me them can't hold back.
Open the nose, and him and the boss, you know. I'm open the nose, and him like a place in the people. Don't put the man in the people. Don't put Papa John in the people. The man that do nothing on the vex in the people. He not do them nothing on them vex. He not do them nothing on them vex. Nothing on them vex. Big up yourself when you do squad. Run through.
Yo, perf, you know me keep trending, dog. All with the threat them sending, dog.
Even when the man said the threat, then the dog still a threat. You know me not go on.
I said them know that I'm me. I lock the place, and me them can't hold back. Me reach a say it's a blessing. Forget them out of my life was a lesson. Cause them bad mind and them heart full of grudge. Me and a woman and me them can't love. Yo,
dog. The dog say man a woman. Them can't love him because him a woman. Him a woman. But I think that really catch me a while ago. I think of that. I remember what catch me bumbug. Me go for say big up to everybody. You, if you cut out somebody with a bad mind. Big up to yourself if you cut out somebody with a grudge. Big up to yourself if you cut out somebody with a malice. Big up yourself if you cut off the whole of the bad mind. Cut off everybody in a good face. Just cut them off. Is it me I say? No, run tune and keep trending. I come and them love talk. Them say me a pass and them start, yeah. Them sit down for me name every day and me know they not even a breakfast. Because me and them can. How it feel. We sit down for people name every day and not about them breakfast. Imagine you can't mention lunch or dinner. If you're not eat breakfast, you're not getting lunch, you're not getting dinner. If you're not having breakfast, you're not getting any lunch, you're not getting any dinner. You sit down for people name as their light. I ain't eat breakfast yet. Your life sad. Go on.
Me and them one kind of the same car perp. I true that them want to bring war, but them can't stop me. Come on a shooting star dog. Me stay far from them, stay far. Enough of them boy are haters and traitors. Left them in a them circle of play cards. Them can't defeat me cause me no Lakers.
Wait, why did you do that though? You heard the lyrics, right? They can't defeat him because he's not Lakers. Lakers, man, I don't want to get it wrong. Because if he said Lakers, though, Lakers, right? Look at the shirt this boy is wearing right here, so. Isn't that a Lakers shirt? But I hope it's not late because he said, so let me go back real quick and listen keenly. You know what I mean? You dig? Like your video, you think you get to it. Leave a like on the video right now if you're watching the video and you didn't like the video yet. Yeah man, like up the video. Alright, run tune.
Circle of play cards, them can't defeat me cause me no Lakers. You know me keep trending, dog. All with the chat, them sending, dog. Me and the boss and them know that I'm me and the place and me, them can't hold back the perf. You know me keep trending, dog. All with the chat, them sending, dog. Me and the boss and them know that I'm me and the place and me, them can't hold back. Me not trust them not trust me. I'm my enemies, them want to dust me.
Whoa. See them so. Me not trust them. Them not trust me. We can live. Once you see, vice versa, we can live. We are gonna live good too. Because we don't trust each other. We are gonna live good. We are the best of friends. We are the best of friends. Go on.
Like girl, with them monthly, me don't say half a girl, them a pray. As a real G, them can't stop me. The boy of them would have want me go a cemetery, but me protected by the Almighty. Me I tell you straight, them boy can't stop me. Me know them vex because me and them can't par. Me and them boy kinda the same crapper.
You know when they can relate to a song, every time I say this, once I can relate to a song, people, the song connect even more, and like you feel the song even more once I can relate to a song. And right now, people, I have never bad mind nobody on this platform, and people don't like me. So right now, I show you say, I'm not even in the same league. Yeah, understand me? I try to show you. Let me speak fluently to y'all. People bad mind me, hate me, hating on me, and I don't even know peoples. People have done nothing to peoples. So when I can relate to a song, the song connect even more. People, big up Belize one time. Thank you for the love and the support one time. But guess what? I have to big up the entire Caribbean because my channel represent for the whole Caribbean. So subscribe, tell a friend about Tyrekevlogs reaction boss trying to reach 40,000 subscribers by December the 31st. 2K away. Run through.
I true that them want to bring war, but them can't stop me. Come on a shooting star, dog. Me stay far from them, stay far. Enough of them boy are haters and traitors. Left them in a them circle of play cards. Them can't defeat me cause me no Lakers. You know me keep trending, dog. All with the chat, them sending, dog. Me and the boss and them know that I'm me. I lock the place and me, them can't hold back the. You know me keep trending, dog. All with the chat, them sending, dog. Me and the boss and them know that I'm me. I lock the place and me, them can't hold back. Me no do them nothing like them vex.
No, them nothing like them vex. Hey, yeah.
One more life them want it. All of them want stop my breath. Now them, you know do them nothing like them vex. Me no do them nothing like them vex.
Big tune, people. Big tune. Big fine emotion in the comment section. You see me I say? What's that dance now? All our vibes. Reaction box. Representing for the whole Belize. Hey. Yeah, man. Yeah. Want to take a moment of everybody to go follow me on Instagram at Tyrekevlogs. Get to 10K followers on Instagram also. Song done? Big up yourself. You see me at the Papa Jump. You go check him out. Make him know the reaction bar selling out over there. So. Shot by Kendex. Big up yourself. Yeah. Stage show performance, I like it. I'm sure some can do it. Alright, at the crowd. Go check out that song I did, man. I got to look at this song. I got to see what's going on for this song, huh? I got to see what's going on for that song. But until next time, guys, it's been about Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. Spoiler alert. The next reel is going to be Stick the Artist. I don't remember the name of the song, but it's a girl song. I think he had a competition going on for that song. Spoiler alert. So if you made it to the end of the video, I want you to comment number 1 in the comment section so I know that. Maybe I'll shout you out in the next video. Subscribe to the vlog channel.